Hello, I'm Russell Delaney with Delaney Drafting and Design, and in this video we'll be unboxing Creality's CR-30 Printmill, aka Naomi Woo's Printmill 3D printer. So this is how it comes packaged. We're going to open it up. Here we go. Okay, so there's a lot of nice thick foam that it's packed in. And here you can see all the components we'll be unboxing. So it looks like you got a quick start card here, after sales service card with some goodies in there, some stickers and some instructions it looks like. They start you out with a small spool of, this is white PLA. 200 grams, it says. That's how much they're giving you to sample. And then you have a bunch of little parts here. Looks like there's some fittings. Okay, these are some nozzles. And you got this is for the filament guide tube. You got either ends of that, and there's a couple of spare nozzles here for you. And then there's these little blue clips. We're going to have to find out what those are for. That's in this little bag here. And then in the other bag, what they're giving you is a USB flash drive. Or no, I'm sorry, this is an adapter for the SD card. That way, if you don't have an SD card reader, you can just pop it into your little USB adapter here, and it goes into any computer. That way you can transfer your sliced files to the machine. So those are the little accessories there. Also in here, okay, this is the hardware kit. Bunch of nuts and bolts and screws and stuff like that. Yep, that's all we got, all the assembly hardware. We'll set that aside for now. Got your power cord. Okay, so in this bag we got a bunch of zip ties and tools. So of course there's going to be some assembly required on this one. And here's how you're going to put it together. You got, like I said, a bunch of zip ties in here. There's some wrenches. You got Allen wrenches, little screwdrivers, nut drivers. Oh, it looks like they give you a little guitar string wire to clean out the nozzle if you need to. Okay, so we'll set that aside. This says photoelectric switch line. So that's probably going to be for your end stops. Now when we go to remove this unit, it looks like a lot of it is assembled. But then you have other pieces like this that will need to be screwed in. So this whole part comes out next. This comes out. Looks like a filament guide tube, or maybe this is, yeah, Teflon tube. This is a spare for the PTFE tube that the filament runs through. Now, there's some wires tethering this section to the bottom section. So I want to be careful when I'm pulling this out of here. This looks like this is the upper frame of the unit. There we go. feels like there's still something in here. Yeah, under this little foam piece, there's another bracket like this one here. Okay. So be careful with this upper unit here. Set it aside. So here's the actual print mill, you can see. We're going to go ahead and pull that out of here. Oh, it's kind of heavy. I'm going to leave it in that cradle. Looks like you got your control panel right here with your display. Maybe I'll put that here. And then we'll pull this out. Yeah, this is pretty substantial weight. I'm sure this is going to be very rugged. Yeah, so there's the actual print mill. Which is very nice. This is a very impressive unit. So there is that. Now obviously this is where the assembly is required. We're going to have this probably, well, I'll have to read the instructions and see, but this is going to come up here somewhere with these little brackets to secure it in place. Carefully set that down. You can see here's the extruder with the nozzle right there. So we're going to set this up soon and do a follow-up video. But in the meantime, what we've done is we went ahead and we got the conveyor, the roller assembly as well. This looks like it goes together really quickly and easily. It's just a few rollers and a frame that'll go on the end of the machine to let the parts come off or to support a long part that you're printing. So that was about a couple $100 extra for this option, but looks like it's well worth it. You got a bunch of hardware and a couple of brackets to assemble it, and then you can see the frame pieces are heavy metal, just like the printer itself. So this should go together really nicely. See, it's got the nice logo on there, very nice finish to it. Seems very strong, very thick, strong metal, and nice rollers on bearings. And yeah, that'll be really nice. So definitely stay tuned for a follow-up video on assembly and use. We'll be reviewing this shortly. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe.